How to use KFC coupons online. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use KFC coupons online. Firstly, make sure that you have a promo code for KFC. Go to any of your preferred web browser and type in KFC promo code to get the promo code. You can also get promo code from their official social media account or website. Once you have got your promo code, then go to kfc.com. On the official website, add items to your cart. On each items, you should see the option Add to Cart. Click on it. After you have selected your item, then proceed to checkout. On the checkout section, fill out your payment details, and at the bottom you should see a promo code section. On that promo code section, type in your promo code. Now click on Apply to get the respective offer or discount. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.